इस खूबसूरत स्टेज को देखते हुए एक जोरदार नारा आपकी तरफ से होना चाहिए।
नाराए तकबीर,
अल्लाहु अकबर,
नाराए रिसालत,
या रसूल अल्लाह,
नाराए हैदरी,
या अली,
अहले सुन्नत
जिंदाबाद। सभी मोहतरम, स्टेज सजा हुआ है। भाई हाफिज मोहम्मद और वक्र ने भी खत्म किया है कि हमारे तमाम मेहमान नात खान तशरीफ ला चुके हैं और बिला किसी ताखीर मैं इस मस्जिद की शाम नौजवान स्कॉलर और चूंकि नौजवानों की कसीर तादाद रखी हुई है तो मैं अपने बहुत ही मुहतरम भाई आलिम नबी फासिल जलील मोहतरम हाफिज मुसद्दक शाहीन रज़ी साहब से मुल्तमस हूं कि आप माइक पर तशरीफ लाएं और अपने मुआज़े हसन से हम सबको नवाजें। जनाब हज़रत अल्लामा हाफिज मोहम्मद मुसद्दक शाहीन साहब। नाराए तकबीर, नाराए रिसालत।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल मुरसलीन وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين ما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما
اللهم صل على سيدنا ومولانا محمد وعلى
وعلى آل سيدنا ومولانا محمد وبارك وسلم وصل عليه والصلاة والسلام عليك يا سيدي يا رسول الله وعلى آله وأصحابه يا سيدي يا حبيب الله. Most respected teachers, scholars, brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. All praises to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and salawat and salam be abundantly and always upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's only with His tawfiq that He bestows upon us that we are able to gather in His house in the blessed month of Rabi al-Shareef to remember the beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The message, inshallah, will be very short. There's a couple of things I'd like to say. Why do these gatherings happen? What's the purpose? What's the motive behind these gatherings? The essence, the core, brothers and sisters, of these gatherings is our way of expressing our love for our Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Alhamdulillah, everyone that is here, we love our Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's the name of Iman. Iman is what? It's to love the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Iman is what? It's to establish a connection, a nisbah, a link with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And that's why we are here. And we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that the angels, they record our names amongst those who yearn and love and remember Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And brothers and sisters, and this is reality, this is haqq, that the dhikr, the remembrance, and the mention, and the honor, and respect, and veneration of the Prophet ﷺ is shifa'u qulubina. It's a cure to the diseases of our hearts. You remember Rasulullah ﷺ is a light that illuminates hearts and lives. That's the haqq. And that's what we've been blessed with, alhamdulillah. So whenever we sit in these gatherings, we should always have this in mind, that this gathering, these moments, they're blessed moments because we're thinking about our Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, alhamdulillah, knows that we are here. This is from the grace that Allah Ta'ala has bestowed upon Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that He sallallahu alaihi wasallam knows that we are here in His gathering, subhanallah. The last thing I would like to say, brothers and sisters, is the grand scholar of Egypt, previous Mufti Ali Jumu'ah, Hafidahullah, MashaAllah, the ulama know he is an ocean of knowledge. He's a man of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He's a man that, when you see him, you remember, he reminds you of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He reminds you of how the Sahaba, Ahlul Bayt, how they had love for Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This man, great man of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, very humble as well, Bismillah, mashallah, was blessed, has been blessed with ziyarah mubarak of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam many times.
Subhanallah.
He's a man who has seen Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam many times in his dreams. Alhamdulillah. And once someone asked him that, why do you think this is so? And obviously this only happens from the grace of Allah Ta'ala and the karam of the Prophet ﷺ. That's the reality. But he was asked, now, why do you think this is so? And the great Shaykh said that Alhamdulillah, Summa Alhamdulillah, I always read the Seerah Mubarakah of the Prophet. I'm always reading about Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. I'm always studying the Seerah Mubarakah of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. I'm always studying the Hadith Mubarakah of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Constantly. Finish one Seerah book, onto another, onto another, onto another. That's his life. And then subhanallah, look at the way Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam gifts him. Cleansing upon cleansing, by seeing the best of all faces of Allah, by seeing the best of all smiles, by seeing the best, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Subhanallah. Brothers and sisters, when we come to these gatherings and we're in the month of Rabi Shareef, we should honor the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam by learning about the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, learning about the beautiful life of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And every time we read about the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it will increase our love for the Prophet ﷺ. It would want us to be with the Prophet ﷺ. Reading about him ﷺ is like, it's like living with the Prophet ﷺ. And inshallah, if we have that desire, then through the karam of the Prophet ﷺ, inshallah, we will see the Prophet ﷺ in his life, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Inshallah, we will be blessed with the shafa'ah mubarak of the Prophet ﷺ. And we will be with the Prophet ﷺ in Akhiramin, Ya Rabbil Alameen. Sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, wa ala alihi sahbihi wa sallam.
Subhanallah.
जब हज़रत अल्लामा हाफिज़ मुसद्दक़ शाहीन अल-अज़हरी साहब अपने अंदाज में नौजवानों के लिए बल्कि हम सब के लिए एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट और इफेक्टिव जो है मैसेज को डिलीवर कर रहे थे। दुआ अल्लाह पाक क़िबला हाफ़िज़ साहब की उम्र में, इल्म में बरकत अता फरमाए, अल्लाह पाक इन्हें मज़ीद सआदत अता फरमाए। समीर मुहतरम